These are such a vibe, it's not even a joke. And welcome back to the channel. It's Cass. If this is your first time here or if you're returning, thank you so much either way. But please take one moment to tippity tap the bell, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That way you're able to continue to join us whenever I post videos, which I'm trying to do weekly or at least every other week. This week we're going to be doing a collective accessories haul for the summertime. I know I said I was trying to steer away from like posting any fashion content. I was really trying to focus on some nursing stuff for a little bit, but I've been getting a lot of questions across IG and TikTok about my accessories, and I was like, oh my gosh, I had to make a video for the girls and the guys because everybody deserves to have these pieces. You guys know I love sharing them, and it's just easier for me to link a video instead of having to keep trying to find the links over and over again. Some of these are going to be affiliate links, and some of this I'm going to just go ahead and have on my Amazon storefront. I'm trying to figure out how to organize that, so it should be organized by the time this video comes out because I'll have it down pat by then. But if it's on Amazon storefront, I'll just put my storefront and then you'll be able to find it on there pretty easily. All right guys, first I want to start off with the pieces that I'm actually wearing tonight because I'm wearing some of my favorite pieces. These earrings, I got them last summer when I was in LA and I have not put them down. I have them in gold and silver. I normally always wear silver. I wear silver year round. I have my silver rings on. But for the summertime, I really like gold just because I'm getting tan. My skin looks really good. It's popping. And so even though I have these in silver, I went ahead and bought them in gold, and I've been wearing these to the ground this summer. They just go with every single outfit. They absolutely elevate every single look. It's just such a nice statement piece, and although they look extremely heavy, they actually are not. After you wear them for a couple of hours and once you take them off, you can be like, oh my gosh, those were heavy. Like I should have not been wearing those for that long, but you don't feel it when you're in it. You know what I mean? And my ears aren't numb or anything crazy. It's just simply not super heavy. I really love them. They haven't turned. I, again, wear them to the ground. My silver ones, wear them to the ground. They're not turning brassy or anything of that nature. These are perfection. I'm gonna make sure to link the exact link that I use. When I was on the hunt for these, there were a lot of Amazon links and there were a lot of people who had the ones that were turning. So I'm gonna make sure, hopefully mine are still in stock and the same company, and I will link those for you in the description box down below. This next piece I wanna show you guys is this beautiful necklace that I'm wearing right here. Let me tell you something. I love the Bailey sisters, love them to the ground. When Hallie came out with her music video, not even the music video, she came out with just the snippets of In Your Hands, and I saw her outfit and I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Who made that? Like I have to know who made that. And once I found out who made it, I got on her page and I realized it wasn't just clothing pieces that she did, because she did like the bra set that she wore in that video. She actually makes jewelry. The company name is, and I may butcher it, but it is Havuni. When I tell you the most gorgeous pieces I have ever laid my eyes upon, and while they're still affordable, I had to go ahead and grab them, okay? This necklace is absolutely beautiful. It is the same shape of the bra that she wore in the video, but hers was like blue. Let me tell you something. This necklace, I saw it, had to have it immediately. It was out of stock. I turned those notifications on. As soon as it came in my email inbox, I was like, put it in the cart. It also comes with a anklet. Like she has a matching anklet for it. When I tell you that anklet is so beautiful, like I absolutely am obsessed with this set. Like I almost want to get a double just in case anything was to happen to this because it is so beautiful and I just can't. The next three pieces I got are from Enroute Jewelry. As soon as I saw Colleen Diaz wearing this, I said, what's that? And when she finally said, oh my gosh, this is my collaboration with them, I said, sisters, say no more. This necklace is absolutely stunning. There's so many different ways to wear it and I just love the versatility of it. Today I wore it kind of a little bit lower so it looked more like a rosary, but you can like pin it up here and it's like a longer drop. Oh, it's so stunning. Like you can do it like this. You can do it even lower, make it like a huge necklace. I absolutely adore this. I have not stopped wearing it since I got it. And yeah, I'm pretty much obsessed. Look at how she's Need I say more? I don't think so. I did end up getting it in a bundle, and it also came with this beautiful pearl necklace. It has pearls, and then in between it has little flower shaped diamonds, and then in the center of the flower is a different color gemstone. So it has red, green, yellow, and white. Let me tell you something. Beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. It is so stunning. It's just too much to bear. Like, this set is so beautiful, and they have like a different variation. I wanted to buy it all, but I had to be very serious. You know what I mean? I didn't want to do too much. But yes, Enroute jewelry, absolutely stunning. I love this. They also came with this little cross necklace as well. So beautiful. So this, the pearl, and then the molecule Y-shaped necklace, that came in a set. Just get it. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, I have not put these pieces down. I literally wear them either together, I wear them separate. I pretty much wear the molecule chain with every outfit. Like, it doesn't matter what the outfit is, she's being worn. And I think she just goes so beautifully with my Havuni. Like, I'm obsessed. It's so stunning. Like, I love jewelry, and so like I've gotten to the point where even though I'm a very minimalistic babe, when it comes to styling, your accessories are so important. And I've just been realizing, like, wow, the more accessories, the better. And so I've just been like really trying to go maximalist when it comes to my jewelry. Maybe not just as like super flashy and super shiny, but like I like to just be able to stack my necklaces, and I'm trying to get more into bracelets. I have very small wrists, so it's hard to find bracelets, but I'm looking for some bracelets. I'm trying to get into it, ladies, and this set is a great way to start out your collection, as well as this number with the matching anklets. You need it. These earrings as well. This whole look, y'all get it. Next, I have on these beautiful bangles. They are so beautiful. I got these from Shein. I have been eyeing these on Aliexpress actually, and lately I've been on Shein a little bit more. I haven't really been on Aliexpress because if you've noticed, they have a marketplace on Shein. The marketplace is all Aliexpress stuff. Everything that I have in my cart from Aliexpress is on Shein's marketplace. So I'm just like, the thing with Shein is they actually do the correct sizing. Like on Aliexpress, I'm like constantly going back and forth. What size should I get? I'm reading the measurements. The measurements 9 times out of 10 are wrong, especially if you have a little, you know, bumper. If you're a little thick, you shapely. 9 times out of 10, a large is really gonna be giving a medium or a small. So like I be reading so hard. Like I'm like, okay, I gotta figure this out. On Shein, even especially with shoes, they actually tell you the exact size that it is. Like it'll tell you if it's in the Canadian sizes, if it's European, and it'll be like, this is like an actual US 9 or an actual US 8.5. But like it could say a US 40, but the 40 fits like a 7 in the US. So Shein has a better calculation with sizes. So I've been preferring shopping through there. Anyways, these, I found them originally on Aliexpress. I've had them in my cart for a little bit, but then when I saw them on Shein, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go ahead and order them. And I really love them. They're so beautiful. They're not too big. Again, I have really small wrists. So finding bangles has been a hard thing to do. It comes in a set of 4, so I got 2 sets. And they are perfect. They go so nice with each outfit. They're just so classic. Like it's a very classic look. It gives me very much like 90s. The only thing is if you have long arm hairs, which I do, and mine are like medium length. They're not even like super long, but I have a lot of arm hair. These snatch your arm hairs because it is like a stretchy band. You get what I'm saying? So like as it stretches, well, you can't really see, but like as it stretches, it opens up a little bit. So it opens and closes, and it'll like close on your hair. It's worth the pain though, because what did our good mother say in Cinderella with Brandy? Beauty knows no pain, girls, okay? And whenever it snatches an arm hair, I just move on. Like I'm starting to become numb to it because, yeah. I do have a few silver pieces because I can never stay away from silver too long. My favorite earrings that I have gotten, I actually got these on AliExpress. These 2 pieces, I feel unstoppable when I wear these pieces, okay? These earrings are one of the coolest, most beautiful earrings I've ever seen in my life. And they look so good on. They look like you really try. Like you could be wearing the most plain outfit. When you put these bad boys on, it says, I did it. I'm here. I'm a fashionista, and I'm a stunt on you real quick. These earrings give that along with these. Get them in silver too. Okay, you need both. But these, wow. So simple, so delicate, but when you put them on, it literally looks like you have 30 new piercings. I love piercings so much. So I really love them. They're so cool. It's just like a little hoop, and it has this little ball, and they go into each other, and it looks really cool. These are a staple earring. I really need to get them in gold because I feel like it'll change my life, because these have, like, no matter what your hair looks like you throw these on, please. Like I said, I'm really into stacking my necklaces lately, and I really wanted to find a beautiful like pearl set, and I found a very stunning one. I've seen this all over Shein. It's now on Shein via the marketplace, so I will try to find the link for you guys too, and I'll link both. But let me tell you something about this little pearl set. It's stunning. My favorite thing about it is when you see it on the picture, it looks like it's gonna be one necklace, and I honestly don't care for those. Like, I've never liked necklaces where it's multiple and then but it only clamps, like they all are connected together, because they get tangled really easily. This one looks like that, but they're actually 3 separate pieces. So the first one is this pearl choker right here, and this one is like the top layer. So like if you put it on, it can be this tight. And just look at how she sits, right? So beautiful. Really, it makes me look regal. Like, all of a sudden my neck is long, I'm elongated, my posture just changed. You feel what I'm saying? Because why would she do this? I love that it's 2 layers, and then they have like just little silver pieces connected into it. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love her. She's very cute on her own. All of these pieces are very pretty on their own, but together, stunning. The next piece is just this singular necklace, and it has this beautiful silver cross with a rose detailing on it. Very much giving Victorian age, a little bit of gothic vibes. I really love that. She's gonna eat in the fall. She's gonna eat in the fall really bad. I really held it down in the spring. If you have an outfit that deserves a little bit of silver, you need a little oomph, you know what I mean? Like a little strapless black dress, and you want to just really stack your necklaces on top of it. Anything like very plain, and you put all 3 of these together. The last one is basically another choker piece. It goes in the middle, and this is what this one looks like. It's 2 necklaces. This is the most I can do, y'all. Like 2 necklaces together, that's it. Any more, it starts to get too tangled. But this one is essentially a fully pearl, and then it has these silver teardrops, super pretty. And then this is just a silver chain necklace, and it has 3 crosses on it. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, this is all over Shein Marketplace right now, so I will absolutely easily find the link for you guys, and I will put it in, because like this is a staple piece. Okay, I wore these for the birthday portraits that I took of myself with those earrings I just showed you. Don't worry, you're looking at the pictures right now. I'm sure you're gasping for air like I am, because I'm still not over those pictures. The look 8. I did a corset, and inspired by the Bridgerton girlies. I hope y'all are watching season 3, because Pen is taking it, ladies. Pen is taking it. I do have a last pair of earrings that I almost forgot about. These beautiful blue earrings. They are flower earrings. I got these from Shein, got them for my cousin's wedding as well. I wore an orange dress. I'll insert a picture. And I wanted just like a nice pop of color, and I thought the teal and the orange would go together really well. These are just a beautiful statement earring. I wanted to get a color too that I know I would wear again, and this is definitely something that I can like throw on with a black outfit, which, you know, I wear a lot of like blacks and browns and nudes. So like this is a perfect pop of color that will go with that as well and make the outfit look like I really tried. It does have, you can see these little pink pieces right here. I don't know if you guys can really. So this little pink piece right here, you see it's like it comes up. So when I got these earrings, they did not package these well. These should have been put in a box with like some foam wrapped around them, plus the plastic. They literally just put it in a little plastic bag. You know, the ones that you get at the beauty supply store, like when you get accessories from the beauty supply store. That's what they had these in. And both of the pink pieces were just flinging around in the bag. So I had to actually use some nail glue to put them back on. So I have to be very careful about how I store these, but these are so beautiful. Like even now you can see how like it really just elevates the outfit. It's such a good summer earring. Like you need a good floral earring, you know what I mean? And these are just beautiful. Next I'm gonna show you 2 of my favorite purses that I have been rocking. This purse right here I got from Aliexpress. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but honestly this is the perfect size. I can't be trusted with anything bigger than this because I'm gonna fill it up. So I've really been feeling just a smaller bag just because I'm on the go and I don't want to be like having a heavy bag to carry. So this is the bag, and I actually just tied this beautiful scarf that I also got from Aliexpress a few years ago just on it, and it's such a look. Like every time I bust this out with the scarf, yeah, it eats so bad. I love this green. It goes with everything. It's like a beautiful like hunter green. I wear this is like one of my everyday bags. Like if I wear a very plain outfit, I throw this on, looks like I tried. I love her. I absolutely love this bag. Love the scarf look. If you have a lot of scarves, I love scarves. I have so many of them. Throw them on your bag. Like just because you're not wearing them in your hair, throw them on your bag. I am good for very much throwing these around my buns, tying them through my jeans. There are so many different ways to use the accessories that you have. And so tying these scarves around my purse has also been a very fun way to use them. And that way I'm utilizing everything that I have. So yeah, really love this. Love the look with the scarf. Chef's kiss. The next bag, I actually got this for my cousin's wedding a few weeks ago, and ooh. Here's the thing. You need two good metallic purses. You need a gold metallic purse. You need a silver metallic purse. Y'all know my favorite one from Zara. If you follow me on IG, you've seen it. I run it into the ground. It's super beautiful. It's like a little baguette purse, metallic, very stunning. This gold, I love it. It's so classic. It does come with a purse chain, but I've been feeling like not really, you know, like I want to hold my bag. Like it's part of the look. Like when you have like an artistic piece like this, like you really got to hold it. Like I can't imagine, you know, cross-bodying this. Hold your purse, ladies. When you have something like this, you got to hold it. Look at how dainty and beautiful she is. She's cute. You got to put her up. You know what I'm saying? When you dancing, you put her in the air. You give them a little twirl. Why don't you stay here after hours? You gotta put the purse in the air. Hey, it's party time. It's summertime. Put your purse in the air. You know what I'm saying? This bag is made for that. I got this from Shein. Absolutely love it. Obsessed with it. I will say the only con is they don't have like the little button to press to open the bag, and it's magnetic. So now that I have my nails done, I normally just like dig my nail in here and pop it open. Very annoying. They do have multiple versions of this, and I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't thinking about it, but I want you to really think about this when you think about this purse and any purse like this. If it doesn't have a clasp, don't even bother purchasing it. Am I going to return it? No. I'm just going to kind of just stick with it. It does have these two little pieces that come out from when you want to use the chain. So I've been kind of just using that to open it, but it's still a little like I'm struggling right now to open this. I did have to put my car key in there because it's a little hole right here. The car key popped it right open, but I had to have my friend open it all night. She didn't have any nails, but when you open it, this is she. I feel like my phone did fit in this. Let me see. I just have to, oh yeah, my phone fits in it. I have my wallet. Again, if you don't have something, a little insert wallet, highly suggest this. Highly suggest, okay? I'm a nurse, and I want to have all my stuff on me at work, so this is why I actually got this, and for my smaller bags, of course, because when I have a bulky wallet, it just looks crazy, but this I can just slide into my scrub pockets and it's on me at all times, so I can't lose it, and if I have to run, I'm out of the hospital. You feel what I'm saying? These. Super beautiful. I love the shape of them. It's like giving square, but it still has like a very round like shape to it. I don't really like a lot of round sunglasses, like purely round on my face shape, because I have such an angular, you know, just sharp features. And so sometimes round just doesn't look good on me, but this is like a good medium, and the color is absolutely beautiful. I can't even tell how this looks because right now I'm looking in red. I love looking in the color of the lens.